Princess Nadia had a superpower. At least, that's what she believed. She could talk faster than a race car, louder than a blender, and longer than anyone in the kingdom. Words didn't just come out of her mouth, they exploded. Mother, guess what happened? Wait, do you know what Madison said? And then I saw a dog, and it had a hat, and Nadia, her mother tried to speak. And then I used purple for my drawing, and Princess Nadia. Nadia blinked. Oh, sorry, what were you saying? The Queen sighed. I was asking if you wanted pancakes, but they're cold now. At school, it was even worse. Class, said Miss Lindsey, today we're learning about volcanoes, Nadia shouted. The class burst into laughter. Miss Lindsey paused. Actually, fractions. 5 seconds later, Nadia blurted out, "It's 1/2. Miss Lindsey slowly turned. Nadia, I'm still talking. Even at recess, Nadia was a human megaphone. Her best friend Madison tried to tell a story about her grandma, but Nadia jumped in. I love her snacks. That juice, best juice ever. Madison crossed her arms. You're doing it again, Nadia. Interrupting. Nadia grinned. I'm not interrupting. I'm just talking. Nadia didn't notice things changing. She didn't notice Madison talking to other friends or the teacher calling on her less. She was too busy talking. Then came the big day. Group project time, Miss Lindsey announced. You'll build a model town. Together. Nadia rushed to her group. Madison, Eli, and quiet Zena. Okay, listen, Nadia said immediately. A giant castle, a zoo, a rocket, a candy shop, and a spaceship launch pad. What if we... Zena tried to speak. And flying cars, Nadia shouted over her. The next day, the project was a disaster. The castle leaned sideways, the zoo looked like scribbles, and the rocket was a crooked tube. This isn't working, Madison sighed. It needs more ideas, Nadia shouted. No, Zena said quietly. It needs listening. Nadia opened her mouth to argue, but she stopped. No one was smiling. Everyone looked tired. Miss Lindsey walked over. What's the problem, Nadia? Nadia's chest tightened. I just have a lot of ideas. Miss Lindsey nodded. Ideas are great, but do you know what's more powerful than talking? Nadia hesitated. Talking louder? Miss Lindsey smiled. No, listening. The next day, Miss Lindsey brought a small blue ball. The listening ball, she said. Only the person holding it can speak. Zena held it first. I think we should build houses, she said softly. Nadia's mouth flew open. Houses? That's boring. But she froze. She couldn't speak. Her lips pressed tight. It felt like holding in a giant sneeze. Then the ball moved to Madison. We could add a park. Nadia blinked. That actually sounded nice. Then Eli held it. We need roads, he said. Nadia really looked at him. She realized his idea was actually really good. Finally, the ball came to Nadia. She held it tight. She looked at her team and smiled. What if we combine everything? Houses, roads, a park, and maybe just a small rocket. Madison grinned. I like it. Nadia felt something new. Not loud, not buzzy, just warm. Over the next week, Nadia practiced her new superpower. When her brother Ben told her about his dragon drawing, she stayed quiet. Ben smiled wider than ever. When Madison talked about a kitten, Nadia just listened and smiled. You didn't interrupt. Madison blinked.
I'm practicing.
Nadia grinned. I'm practicing. When the project was finished, it was beautiful. Colorful houses, winding roads, and a tiny, perfect rocket. Miss Lindsey
teamwork.
beamed. Excellent teamwork. The class clapped, and for the first time, Nadia didn't shout. She just listened to the sound of her friends being happy. She finally learned that while talking feels powerful, listening makes people feel heard. And that's the most powerful superpower of all. The Superpower quiz. Question 1. Why were the pancakes too late at the beginning of the story? Answer: because Nadia was talking so much and so fast that she didn't hear her mother asking her if she wanted them. Question 2. What happened when Nadia's group tried to build the model town the first time? Answer: it was a disaster. Nothing fit together because Nadia wouldn't listen to anyone else's ideas. Question 3. What was the superpower Nadia learned at the end of the story? Answer: listening. She learned that listening to her friends made her a better leader and a better friend. Thank you for visiting our village today. And if you think listening to your friends is a great superpower,
Give this video a big thumbs up.
We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye!